all things faith, fashion, and lifestyle. So if that is your vibe, stay tuned. All right, you guys. So I will be sharing with you 7 super simple ways that you can do to elevate your outfit and look more stylish. Now, I feel like everyone in their everyday life, in their own little world, wants to be a fashion gal. And the easiest way that you can be a fashion girly is by feeling stylish. Now, being stylish doesn't have to cost a lot of money. It doesn't necessarily mean that you always have to buy things. Sometimes it can be just as simple as tweaking your clothing, how you put it on your body, like just the simplest things. So if you're just excited about this video just as much as I am, keep watching. I will be starting with my base. So my base for today is just blue jeans and a white tank top. No shoes yet, no earrings, nothing. Just, honey, I feel like I'm coming to you bare. If I'm being honest, I just feel so bare, but that is the point. So let's say the average girl would just kind of leave their house like this, put on shoes, you know, put on a little bag, and then just leave their house. Now, if you're trying to be stylish, there are some simple things that you can do. So we'll be using this base to show you all the different levels on how you can be more stylish to elevate your look. So starting with tip number 1, this is gonna be tucking in your shirt. I know this seems so simple, but like it makes a world of a difference. So right now, I just kind of have my shirt out how it comes. Like the shirt comes like this, and I just put it on, right? Now I'm gonna tuck it in, and you're gonna see how that immediately makes a difference. Okay, so now I have tucked in my shirt. Immediately, it makes a difference, okay? Number 1, you can see the fit of the jean. You can kind of see my waist a little bit more. You can see the structure and the style and how the jean was made and intended to be worn. It's high-waisted jeans. You should see the waist of the high-waisted jeans. So just by tucking in the top already, it's just like making such a big difference, okay? Now, tip number 2 is going to be popping your collar or rolling up your sleeve. Now, let me show you before I keep on explaining. Give me a second. Okay. So I have this denim jacket just as it comes. It comes just like this with the collar like this and with the sleeves just like this. So now I'm going to put it on. And when I put on this jacket like this, it's literally giving nothing, nada. So now if I want to be stylish and I want to be chic and effortless, I'm going to roll up the sleeves and pop the collar. Now I have rolled up the sleeves, and you can see how already I just look a little bit more chic. I look a little bit more cool. And watch when I pop the collar. I went from cool to too cool for you, okay? So like popping that collar if you can, you know, especially if the collar will actually stay up without you looking messy. I think it's just a very cool, simple way to look more, you know, stylish. And this costs nothing at all. All you did was just kind of tweak how you wore your clothing on your body. For some people, even with jeans, some people like to cuff the bottom of their jeans if that looks appropriate for the look that you're going for. You know, even like, let's say you're wearing a t-shirt and it's a little oversized and you have like a nice little flowy skirt and you kind of want to cinch in that waist a little bit. You can always pull the t-shirt back and kind of tie it in the back. I'm sure you guys have seen that, or also even tie it in the front. So anyways, I'm just trying to show you that making your clothes look more stylish doesn't necessarily have to cost any money at all. So that was tip number 2 on how you can be more stylish. So now we move on to tip number 3. Tip number 3 is going to be zhuzhing up your outfit with jewelry. So right now I just have my kind of principal necklace that I kind of wear most times. I kind of gave this necklace a break so you guys didn't see it, but now it's back. And I will be adding earrings, a watch, and all the things, and you're gonna see how that even takes this outfit up even further. So now just watch. Okay, so now let me put on my jewelry. I'm gonna start with these little studs. I'm gonna put that on my ear. All right, you guys, so I have my accessories on, and you can see how already that makes a difference. So I'm gonna come closer just so you can see the details of the accessories a little bit better. So I decided to layer my necklaces just to add some extra visual interest, because if you think about it, I'm literally having a super simple outfit. And I decided to do studs since I feel like I do have a little busyness going on in my neck, and just put on a little simple watch. So already, as you can see, wearing accessories will elevate your look, provide visual interest, just make your outfit a little bit more interesting, and it's a great way for personal touch to show kind of like your personal style through your jewelry. Tip number 4 is going to be adding a belt. So when appropriate, I think a belt can just kind of help you look a little bit more pulled together. So obviously the function of a belt is just to kind of like keep your pants up or to keep something up, right? But a belt can also, I feel like, help you look just more polished, because it shows that, I don't know, to me it shows that you care. Like you care about making sure that the look is complete. And to me, a belt just does that. Not only for pants, you can add a belt to skirts, dresses, etc. Now for this look, I will be adding a little black belt. I actually used to not have any belts. I used to wear belts. Then I went through a phase where I stopped wearing belts, and I stopped wearing belts, and then I started wearing belts again. And I'm actually very happy that I started wearing belts again, because it really just does something to your outfit. Like I said, I feel like it just makes you look more polished and your outfit looks more complete. Okay, so already, as you can see, just having a little belt, I feel like just made the look a little bit more complete. Like it just looked, I feel like it just looked more polished. That's really what it is. Like I just feel like I look more polished by adding a belt. Now for tip number 5. This is going to be adding that statement piece. Now, if you feel like your outfit is just like missing something, or you feel like your outfit is very simple, adding a statement piece can really just take a very simple outfit and bring it up a notch. As you can see, to me, this is a very simple look. It's literally jeans and a t-shirt, a literal t-shirt that cost me less than $5. Now, I am going to bring this look and make it even more stylish by adding some statement shoes. Okay, now for this look, I am going to be doing these heels. It is a recent purchase. I want to come closer so you guys can see it. I am obsessed with these heels. I have legit worn them every weekend since I've purchased them. Just how cute. Ooh, my bad. How cute are these mules? Like, OMG. I've been wanting to do the leopard trend or cheetah or whatever, but I wanted to do it in a way that I thought was chic, sophisticated, and very true to my style. And I definitely think this is a great way. This is for sure going to be timeless in my wardrobe. Now that you guys see the vibes, let's put it on. OMG, OMG. please, do not act like you guys do not see how this has just totally transformed this look. Honestly, to me, this is even given nighttime. Like, I don't go to bars, but if I went to a bar, I would wear this, you know? Or maybe if I went to like a little dinner or like a little lounge or something. So yeah, so you guys see the vibes. You guys see the vibes. Now, you can either do a statement shoe or a statement bag. I think they both kind of do the same, like I feel like they both have the same effect on your outfit. I wouldn't consider this a statement bag, but for this look, since I feel like a statement shoe, I think a very simple, like kind of chic kind of, you know, bag does the job. And lastly, this is not last, but second to last would be sunglasses. Now, sunglasses for me is like a third layer. You know, like sometimes your outfit is just like missing something. Like it's just not quite giving. Something is off. It's off balance. And sometimes you might need sunglasses to make your outfit complete. I feel like the same way a belt can help make your outfits look complete or polished, I feel like sunglasses can help make your outfit look complete. So let's put on sunglasses for this look. We have our bag, and OMG, this is the look. Giving stylish babe. And I'm gonna take my glasses off just so I can keep talking to you guys. But overall, this is the look. And I would say the 7th tip is confidence. I feel like when it comes up to being stylish, you're gonna have to play with it a little bit. You know, find out your personal style if you don't have your personal style set already. And you just wanna be confident. Whatever you put on your body, you wanna feel confident. And then you wanna feel like a boss, you wanna act like a boss. You know, you just wanna, you know, walk with your head high that you know you look good, especially because you feel good. All right, you guys, so if you found that video helpful, let me know in the comments below. If there is a stylish tip that you are doing already, I would love to hear in the comments. I hope you guys have a wonderful and blessed day. Ciao. Ciao.